So we've just created our unordered list HTML element. Now you can think of this as a list of unordered items. So like bullet points as opposed to something ordered like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or A, B, C, D, E. Now within the unordered list HTML element, we've got what's called list HTML elements, which is denoted by LI. Now, a little trick I'll teach you is if you type in the element, you can press tab and it will create the starting and closing tag for you. So now for each of these list elements, we'll put in the name of a movie that Chris has been featured in. So Captain America, Spider-Man Homecoming. We'll create one more list HTML element and we'll add Avenger. I think that should be Avengers, isn't it? Avengers Infinity War. All right, awesome. Let's save that. And after this paragraph, I'm going to add what's called a break element. Now we've seen this before, and this is an empty HTML element, doesn't have a closing tag. And what a break does is it essentially creates a line break in the HTML. So you can think of it as pressing enter on your text editor or like a Word file, and it goes down to the next line. All right, let's save that. Now that that's complete, let's open it up and take a look. This is our web page opened up on the web browser. Now you can see this is the image that we've added, and it's of Chris here. It is quite large. Now this is the H1 header. We've got Chris Evans. You can see this is the little paragraph that we've added, a little bio about Chris. And then you can see below here, you can see all the featured films that we've added in an unordered list. So you can see that it presents as bullet points here. And then you can see that we've got 3 of those list items that we've added. And that's it. So this was a very simple example of creating an HTML web page. All right, so a few points I'd like to make in this video. Elements may have attributes which are defined in the start tag of the element. Attributes more often than not are written as key value pairs. HTML elements H1 to H6 define headings. Only have one H1 element per page and don't skip a heading level. So if you've got an H1 and you've got an H3, you have to make sure that you've got an H2 as well, right? So you don't want to skip a level. And then lastly, headings go from most important H1 to least important, which is H6. And that's it for this video. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it was helpful. And that was just to give you a taste of what it was like to build an actual HTML web page. Now, there are a lot more HTML elements that are available to you. I advise that you have a look and search what other HTML elements there are and how you can implement them into your own HTML application. All right, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.